Today, I'm going to teach you how to use sheet summaries in Smartsheet. This feature allows you to create a clear overview of your project or data sheet, making it easy for team members to quickly understand key information without scrolling through all the details. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where all your existing files and sheets are displayed. From your homepage, locate the specific sheet where you want to create a summary. This could be any project tracker, data collection sheet, or collaborative document you're working on. Click on that sheet to open it fully. Once your sheet loads completely, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Summary. Click on it to open the Sheet Summary panel. This is where you'll build out all the key information you want to highlight about your sheet. Now let's start adding fields. Click on New Field to create your first summary item. You can name this field something descriptive, like description. This will serve as a text area where you can provide context about what the sheet contains or its purpose. After creating your field, you'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side of the field title. Clicking these dots reveals a menu with various editing options. Here you can clear the field, apply currency formatting, adjust number formatting, add hyperlinks, insert images, insert additional fields above or below this one, move the field up or down to reorder your summary. Lock the field to prevent changes, delete it entirely, or access field properties for more advanced settings. Feel free to explore these options and customize your field as needed. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and input some descriptive text for your sheet summary. This gives anyone viewing the sheet immediate context about what they're looking at. Let's add another field to make this more functional. Click New Field again and name this one Count of Done Tasks. Set the field type to number or text, then insert a formula that counts completed items in your checker column. This creates a dynamic summary that updates automatically as tasks are marked complete. You can continue building out your summary by adding more fields. For example, create another field called Sum of Column 7 and add a formula to calculate the total of all values in that column. This is particularly useful for budget tracking or time calculations. The beauty of sheet summaries is their flexibility. You can include whatever information is most relevant to your specific project, whether that's task completion rates, budget totals, project timelines, or team member assignments. This summary becomes a dashboard that editors and viewers can reference instantly without diving into the full dataset. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.